Hey, what's up YouTube? So I recently got my truck lowered. I did a 4.6 drop. I have 22-inch Denali wheels on it, and I thought I'd just make a video to show you guys what it looks like whenever I was looking to get the drop in the 22s. I mean, I went through countless videos trying to find somebody who would have a video that can resemble my truck in the slightest. So I just want to make this video just to show you guys what it would look like. So here it is. Alright, so here's my truck with the 4.6 Mcgaughys drop that I recently just got put on it. In the front, I have the 2-inch drop spindles and springs. And in the back, I did the flip kit. It's an adjustable flip kit. It's 3 inches, 5 inches, and 6 inches. Let me just show y'all what it looks like from the back. And get a good distance back here to show you how low it looks. I'm gonna include a picture of stock height in this video. Maybe a full wraparound. Yeah, I love it, man. It looks really, really sleek. You know, I didn't have to tub or anything. I don't have no rubbing issues, nothing. No clearance issues of any kind. Everything is just pretty perfect with this drop. I'm gonna include a couple videos of me going up and down the street just to show you how it looks in motion. But yeah, man, this is the 4.6 Mcgaughys drop for anyone who's trying to get this kit.